Looking for how to fix cannot download WhatsApp Messenger error on Google Play Store. In this video, I show you how to fix cannot download WhatsApp Messenger. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on permission. Allow all permission one by one. Search for Google Play service. Tap on Google Play service. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Play Store. Now search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Now tap on install. You can see that WhatsApp is installing. I hope that this method fix WhatsApp Messenger cannot download from Play Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thomas Guide.